here we basically we build a robot. So we build our robot, we design it, we program it. There's specific tasks that we're given by FIRST. It's pretty much a game. We're trying to score points. So we are always aligned. We have an alliance, so we're teamed up with another team. So the kids also have to communicate with the other team, and they have to do this all on their own. So they communicate with the other team to see how they can maximize their points for the match. The 2-minute match, so that's pretty much what they do. So we design the robot, we program it, and we're just trying to maximize how many points that they can score within a 2-minute period.
I like Robotics Club because it gives me a chance, it gave me a chance to open my mind to the world of engineering and computer science.